Now, there's a couple things that I immediately noticed, and again, a very common mistake. If students don't make a mistake with their K, if they don't set it equal to 0 and actually solve, the next biggest mistake that students will make is they'll go ahead and they'll forget about the place values. Notice on this example, I went 4, 3, 2, 1, constant. That should be the case for all problems. In this case, I do not have a 3. I do not have an x cubed. So therefore, the coefficient of x cubed is still there. It's just actually a 0. So we just need to make sure when we're doing synthetic division to include that 0 as your placeholder. It's also important to recognize that this x here does not have a number. So therefore, I'm going to put a little 1 there just to remind you that 1 times x is still just going to be x. But again, we need to make sure we're writing down all the coefficients for each and one of our terms. And again, if we don't have the term, to use the placeholder. So now we have our correct k, which is going to be a -1/2 because we set the denominator equals 0, and we have the correct coefficients because we used our placeholder.